Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Forgot your iPad passcode? This video will show you how to unlock iPad by resetting factory defect without password. If you have used Find My, you can use iCloud to unlock your phone. Log in with your Apple ID. Click Find My. Select the iPad you need to unlock and click Erase iPad. You can also erase it on your iPad. On your iPad Unavailable screen, tap the Forgot Passcode option in the bottom corner of the screen. Then tap Start iPad Reset to confirm. Enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple ID on your device. Tap Erase iPad to factory defect your iPad. If you don't remember your Apple ID password or your iPad doesn't have the Forgot Passcode option, you can use Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker to unlock your iPad. Click Unlock iOS screen. Click Start. Follow the instructions to put your iPad into recovery mode. Check your iPad information, then click Download. Click Unlock to unlock your iPad. Once the unlocking process is complete, the passcode will be erased. You can use iTunes or Finder to factory defect your iPad. Put your iPad into recovery mode or DFU mode. Click on Restore iPad. After the restore process is complete, you can unlock your iPad.